So we've been making model airplanes, kind of playing with it, and this is I hate things that break when you buy them, and you're playing with the damn plane and you throw it and comes back broken. So what we're doing is taking a little bit of silk from this one happens to be from my diamonds, and the first layer of glue was put right straight on the plastic of the plane, and then I laid the silk over it and stretched it, and it came out okay-ish. I mean, this is my first attempt at this, so but that looks pretty good, and it is substantially more. It's substantial now. It's not a little piece of plastic. And when I'm done with it, it'll be a nice, smooth piece of plastic, too. Cool, huh?